Shift the cover, shift. Well, follow that, go Next card.
Well, the election is moving free and fair, and that what for coming out with marks. Because despite that we have people who are distracting, who want to distract the election, but by the grace of God, this SEC has indeed done well. They've not like 8% of what we expected them to do by doing the right thing, and in line with what the Supreme Court have said that we should conduct the election within the 90 days. The election is held in Rivers State. But by the grace of God, we are very happy, and we want to thank our people for coming out and voting us. We're also aware that some people have started, leading protests. We're also aware that this thing belongs to all of us. This is a gospel state. We have a governor which is going to of the state, and what is happening is a normal thing. The man who says he wants to hold Rivers State, the current minister of the FCT, Wike, cannot hold Rivers. Rivers State is too big for one man to run as a private estate, and people are clapping for him. And let me also say that, in the 2023 election, Wike told Nigerians he's going to support the former Vice President Obio Akpor as the candidate of PDP. Then they won that election. He knows that reverse was the case. So he's just saying that the man does not keep to his word. The man that speaks to his mouth. And he also said that he's not going to be a minister. Today, just Wike is a minister, and he's here to cause crisis in our states. He also said that Atiku and others were, doing protests, SUG. Today, today Wike has led integrity men in Rivers State, and they're just about protesting. And I can see that what goes around comes around. You can't have it. The same thing has happened. Wike did it to Rotimi Amechi. So it's a lot of karma.
So let's assume that after this election now, the next day will be swearing in of the council chairman. From what the police, from body language of the police, what if they continue to barricade the councils and disallow those that will be elected to go in?
Well, we'll come to that. By the grace of God, the governor has said going to swear in anybody who emerges as the elected chairman on Monday. My advice to the police is that they are disgracing Nigerians in the international community. The IG of police has turned itself to be a boy, to a bloody civilian. chief election if Wike. And you can see what the police is doing, causing crisis in a state that has a governor. That can't have to govern in Rivers State. Wike has been set up for government. Wike is trying to. Let me tell you, those people who are even supporting Wike, calling Revive, they are just playing him. And I want to call on them to allow Wike to live. Why Wike to live long? What they are doing is to stress the man. They are going to stress the man. So for us, we're going to be anybody who emerge will go into the council. And I want to advise the IG of police that he should immediately withdraw his men if election is being concluded and allow peace to reign. He's giving Nigeria bad image in the international community. That's what the IG is doing. It's very wrong.
Thank you very much. Unit, the name of the ward and the unit.
Well, this is unit 14 and 15. We have two units here in Port Harcourt City Local Government, Ward 18, Port Harcourt City Local Government, Rivers State.
You just cast your vote. Just tell us how was the process.
This is one of the fairest and peaceful, seamless elections ever to be held in Rivers State. You can see the atmosphere is fully charged. Our people are out here to vote. Elections are truly going on in Rivers State, and I want to thank RISEC for the timely delivery and arrival of voting materials. This is unprecedented. We've never had it like this before, unlike other times where most times voting material arrives by 12, and at the end of the day, voters are already tired. Now we've been accredited, I have voted. You can see other persons are voting. The local government reports I'm getting from other parts of the local government, Port Harcourt City local government, is also good and favorable that our people are out there voting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This one for councillorship and chairmanship. Mistakes, please. No mistakes, please.
Offer your hand.
The green one is for chairman, while the red one is for council. Why you don't talk like that? Why I will show you? Why the president?
Okay, you do on camera.
No, but